Hi, I'm Kendra Kauppi. I judge at the Minnesota State Fair in the Creative Activities Building, and we're working with the canning category right now. I would like to discuss a little bit about the importance of food safety and pH when we're talking about home canning processes. One important aspect is making sure that you have the correct pH, and you want to have a high acid or low pH content when you're using a hot water bath. In comparison, if you have a low acid or a high pH, you're going to want to consider using a canner. The reason why we're concerned about this is because of an organism called Clostridia botulinum who can produce a resting state called a spore, an endospore, that can survive during some of the conditions that are of more of a high pH or low acid content. The bacteria is odorless. You can't see it, so we wouldn't even know if it's in a jar. And the conditions that we actually create in the jar could be conducive for growing this organism. Sometimes contestants or participants are encouraged to create their own formulations or their own recipes, and sometimes this is a concern when using different types of acidity such as rice vinegar or wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar, because how that may alter the pH of the products that's actually being produced. What we as judges do consult peer-reviewed information such as a Ball Blue Book or the National Center for Home Food Preservation to consult as far as processing times, conditions, as well as what type of food should be processed under a canner or a hot water bath. Let's do an experiment here right now and see what pH we have for one of our pickle products. So we're judging one of the pickle categories, and I have a sample of the brine here. And as my pH meter has been calibrated, and I'm ready to test to see what the pH is. And we're looking to see that it's at least under 4.6, because that would make sure then that we would not have to be concerned about the bacteria Clostridia botulinum, and that the product would be safe to taste and eat. And so we can see right here that the pH of this brine solution is 3.93, which is below 4.6.